Kids need to be held accountable for their behavior. Everybody needs to be accountable for their behavior. Therefore, I always say, you got to say what you mean and mean what you say. Be careful. Don't say to a kid, you can't leave here until this is done. Because you'll get that one kid who will say, I got no place to be. Make sure when you're thinking about consequences that you're being realistic and that you can follow through. Because the first time you have to back off and reduce or take away the consequence, the message you send is what? You're not going to follow through and there's always going to be an out. It's no different than when you give a kid a detention and they go to the office and say, I can't serve that detention, I have ball practice. And you say, okay, we'll serve it Thursday instead. The worst possible thing you can do. If you miss ball practice because you have a detention, you should miss ball practice because you have a detention. I don't care if the coach comes and pleads with you. You shouldn't have got the detention in the first place. But if we're going to just postpone it until it's convenient for the child, then we're just sending the wrong message. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.